you actually just.
Because I would have one other. Yeah, I
don't like that one. No. It's fine. Let me check the other one. Oh, this is fine.
No, simple.
I don't like to do.
It's fine.
When the check is
this skirt is fine.
Check that this top is.
Over a case and then we have. You have to try.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite fairy godmother, Dr. Wendy. Wait, first, am I distracting? Okay, two key. Wait, what colors in? Okay, green. You know green. When I want okay, I talk green. So I got ice cream for Zia Mama. In dinner. Mama, Norma. Okay. School run. Thank you. So this one is for Z and this for Mama. My name is Dr. Wendy, and yeah, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm here with, she finally decided to show us her face. Hey! Is she not pretty? Now fine girls, they hide. Fine girls, they always hide. See how? Oh. Hey, good. Mama, how are you? How was your day? How was your day? See your ice cream. Did you greet? Good afternoon. Where have you go?
Oh my God!
You're going to kill a cop. I got 500. Also, are there? Okay. We don't full crayfish. Okay, fish now, but catch up. Huh? I'll buy it also. What's the also go ne? Take it ale. But 4. You get what chapter say, okay? About 500. Can't well. Discounts the too. But monsieur. There you go. What is that, dear? Yes. Egoni. Egoni. Oh, it's a foodie. Okay. Hey, watch. I'm really new. What's that? I did a good nanya. Bob. You just did lots. I don't know. Hi guys, we are back home, and we got back home very late. We got back home by chicken. I could 5. Go to Kupala. Yeah. So guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, so I'm done with school and we're back home. We got back home late. This is to 6 because I got to school and the proprietor's birthday is today, so she hosted us a little get together and we had to celebrate with her. So we wasted a little time. We wasted a little more time in school than usual. So yeah, just got back home and then I stopped by at the market. Now I had to miss your face. I want to cook soup, egusi soup. I'm making egusi soup now for dinner. I just hope I finish early, but I know I'm a fast cook, so yeah. I know I'm a fast cook, so I'm going to try and I'm going to beat you. I'm going to try and do fast enough so I can finish. Hey, I say finish. I'm going to try and do fast enough so I can finish early. So guys, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, my name is Dr. Wendy. I am a Nigerian YouTuber. So guys, if it's the first time you're coming across this channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and share. And join this family, okay? So guys, let's get into cooking. I'll show you guys how I make my egusi soup. Quick and easy recipe. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to do is to roast my opeye. Ouch. So to bring out the flavor. So after roasting it, I'll take it out and blend it. I'll add it to the pepper that I want to blend and blend them together. So let's take this out. Mama, you go to AWKA for it to burn me. Okay. I already cooked this meat, so it's like 90% done. Next thing I'm going to be adding is my blended pepper. I'm not doing the frying method, I'm doing the cooking method. Some water. I'm doing the cooking method, so I'm going to add in my oil now, my red oil, the amount of oil I used to cook this soup. Then I'll allow this cook. So this is my egusi. I want to mold it. I'm doing the molding method. So I'll just add little water, small, so you don't pour too much water inside. A little more. Hey, so I just molded the egusi into the pot. I didn't even know my phone wasn't recording, so done. I'm going to cover it now to allow that cook. Just keep stirring to be sure it doesn't start burning. Let's check. What I'm going to be adding in is my osu. I don't know what it's called in English. Okay, what I added here is osu. What I blended together here is osu and crayfish. So I'm going to be adding it into my soup, water, and stir. Some salt. Yeah, this tastes good. Allow that cook again. My uziza seeds, blended uziza seeds. I love the flavor it actually gives, so I like to add it in my. That is my uziza leaves. Now we know that uziza leaves are very hard. They are very hard to like cook, so you don't put it together with your ugu. So you have to put this first, so it cooks. Properly before you add in your ready. So add in my ugu, pumpkin leaves. Doesn't this look yummy? Yummy. guys, I've had my bath and I'm ready to sleep. I am exhausted. Exhausted is the word. I'm exhausted. Today was drama. So yeah, I got some clothes and I thought I was going to show you guys, but no strength. I don't have strength again. All my strength is gone. So yeah, it's time for me to sleep. My babies are here, they're already sleeping. It's already past 11. And me, I know they sleep early. And it's just natural. I got it from medical school. You know, we already know that we don't sleep. So it's been a problem for me trying to like sleep early, like normal human beings would. Okay. So Happy didn't come back today because of work. He has an emergency to handle, so he decided to stay back in the hospital. You see, being a doctor is not easy. Even now, even the worst one is even being a doctor's wife. But the things that we understand because now the work wey we dey do, so our patients are very important to us. So guys, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I don't know how this I don't know how this vlog looks like. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is just me, unfiltered, my life in a nutshell, snippets of my beautiful life. Yes. So I'm going to be going to bed. It's not like I'm going to sleep because most times when my husband doesn't come back, I have to battle with insomnia. Yes. Spoiled Wife Diary. I have to battle with insomnia. So I got this movie I got from my husband's niece. I would How to Get Away with Murder. I've watched that movie. I saw the movie like I think 5 or 6 years ago. But I'm so excited to like start it off again. And yeah. And maybe while watching it, sleep will come. If it doesn't come, if it doesn't come, I'll still open my eyes. Maybe when I'm done with school on tomorrow and I get back because I'm not going to work tomorrow. But I have a lot of videos to edit, but sleep comes first. So if I go for school on tomorrow and I come back, I might just get some sleep. Yeah, anyone. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for the engagement. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm really, really grateful and thank you so much guys for watching. If you watched to this point, you're a darling and I love you. And please do well to subscribe if you're not. Subscribe to this channel. Yeah, just join this family and let's have fun together. So guys, this is me signing out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.